tourists, all tourists. I don't see really any Indonesian. It's a little, like I say, a good mixture of young, old. Wow, look at all of these little crevices in the rocks. And the rocks again here. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 3:30 p.m. I'm here in the Uluwatu area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a visit to Thomas Beach. So Thomas Beach is one of my personal favourite beach locations here in Bali. It's a beautiful white sand beach, crystal clear ocean. Has a different appearance during high tide and low tide. So you do need to check online prior to your visit when you want to visit. High tide, the ocean will be sort of like right in a limited stretch of sand all the way running along the back of the beach. And during a low tide, the ocean goes quite far out, exposing all the rocks and making the beach somewhat a little bit unsightly at times. But it depends what you classify as unsightly. It just exposes the rocks, and sometimes can leave little bathing pools and things behind as it exposes the rocks on the beach. However, it is a very, very beautiful beach location, and my personal advice to you would be to visit during sort of like 2 hours after the high tide has finished, sort of like getting towards a mid-tide to low tide is probably going to be the best time to visit. So you've still got the ocean quite close to the beach, so you can still dip in the ocean from walking off the sand. And you've got beautiful views as well of the beach itself. So Thomas Beach is located in the Uluwatu area. It's just about 1.8 kilometres on from the very, very popular Padang Beach. If you've visited Padang Beach before, as you'll know, that beach is quite a small, tiny beach. Does get very congested, very difficult to find a seating area or relaxing area on the beach there, as it's already very, very populated with tourists. My advice to you would be take the 1.8 kilometres, ride along the same road of Jalan Labuan Sayit, and you will arrive at Thomas Beach. So in today's video, I'm going to take you the short walk down from the car parking area, around about 5 minutes. It's down a few steep steps and a bit of a rocky track. However, it is only around about a 5-minute walk. As I'm walking down to the beach, I shall point things out. I think there's accommodation options available at the back of the beach. I think there's a homestay or something. As I get down and drop onto the beach, there's a few rungs that line the back of the beach serving simple food and drinks. I shall show you those as I'm walking along. There's also some seating areas with sun lounges, soft cushion tops, umbrellas as well there, so you've got your nice relaxing areas. And the beach is sort of like divided into two sections. The main area where I'm going to come down and enter the beach is sort of like the busy area, and then as you walk down to the far end of the beach, where it's a little bit more rocky down that end, still is sand as well, but it's more rocky down that end, and that's sort of like the more quiet and peaceful section of beach. So you've got the best of both worlds in making a choice to whatever suits your specific needs. So in today's video, I'm also got the drone with me, so I'm going to take the drone up and give you some beautiful visual footage from above of Thomas Beach. This is an absolutely magnificent beach, and I highly recommend that you pay it a visit. You could split it between the day between visiting Padang and Thomas, so get the best of both worlds. However, Thomas Beach for me offers a little bit more of a tranquil, sort of like more relaxing experience than Padang, due to it being a lot less busy than what Padang Beach is already with the tourists. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Thomas Beach here in Uluwatu. Okay, so just before, if you want to go to Thomas Beach, this is a good restaurant that you can call in at. It's just in the back here. It's very, very popular with tourists in there, local flavours. It's called Suka, and the entrance to Thomas Beach is directly across the street here. There we go, Thomas Beach. Just follow that straight along. Okay, so we just arrived here at Thomas Beach now. This is the motorbike car parking area. A local little warung just to the side here. Just on the left. Lulu warung, some drinks and snacks from there. Lots of development taking place here. It's as though they're putting a road in leading down to here. Some buildings being created over there. And here's our trek down to Thomas Beach. Show you the sign there, Thomas Beach. So the concrete steps, quite a bit of sand on the steps. And the temple there straight ahead. There's usually a few monkeys hanging around as well. To the flat area now. And another collection of steps going down. And we can already see the wonderful, beautiful Thomas Beach. And the surfers in the ocean. Oh, very nice. Steps now down. There's a look back at the steepness of the steps. Very curling round section here. So just coming down now, we have a Ari homestay here. If you want to stay here at Thomas Beach. So a surfing school, board rental, beginner and intermediate. Some accommodations and things, businesses here. Okay, so just a short walk down from the car park. Now we've already arrived at the beach with a restaurant just to the left here. It's quite busy inside of here. The restaurant's just up here, what we've taken you in. So we have views overlooking Thomas Beach, and then we've arrived onto the sand and the beach area here. It's so busy. We'll just take a walk. It's only a little bit more sand in that direction. A few businesses and some lounges. Just take a walk along in this direction and then we'll take the drone up. It's quite busy. It's actually very full. Tourists, all tourists. Don't see really any Indonesian. It's a little bit of seaweed and coral on the sand. Some lounges you can rent here at the back of the beach. I presume they're like 50,000 each maybe. Thomas Padang Beach. There's a wrong restaurant in the back there. Just many lining all the back of the beach here. Lots of surfers out in the ocean. Very nice clean ocean here. Have lots of places along the back. Rocky Warung there. There's some of the foods available. Foods, drinks. Stop there. Peeing up the wrong in the back there. So we have surf lessons and board rental as well here. Yeah, so you can see it's very busy. It's a mixture of young and older as well. Oh, very nice. So we'll just walk down to the very far end. It's super busy. few rocks. This is all like corally type rock though. Sitting areas all along the back of the beach here. And like I say, a good mixture of young, old. And the old shacks at the back of the beach there. These are very, very old. They've already seen better days. Wow. Beautiful white sand. The tide is on its way out now. High tide, I think, was around about 12:50, I think, today. We've sat down here as well. And here we've already got the rocks exposed. Just walking on the rock now. The wood as well at the back here. Here, just sat relaxing. Okay, we're just coming off the rock now, down at the far end of Thomas Beach. There's some people up in the back there. It's a little bit of a quieter area down here. Still just as beautiful, the beach area. And some houses in the back there. And a little hut serving drinks and things there. Elder, oh, not elder, couple relaxing there. It's playing in the sand. Wow, very nice. And the rocks again here. Relaxing in the back there as well. Wow, look at all of these little crevices in the rocks. Looking like little bathing pools. It's really, really jagged looking rocks here. Okay, so here's a look at the far end of Thomas Beach, the rocks and the ocean there. Just give you a look at the coastline in the opposite direction to Thomas Beach. Very, very beautiful coastline going that way. Wow, magnificent. And then we'll just spin you back now and you can have a full view of Thomas Beach and all the nooks and crannies as well. So you have like a little secluded section of beach just in the back there. Oh, we're facing where I am stood. This is me on the rocks here. I'll just give you a zoom in. I'm here waving now at you. Wow, very nice. Okay, we'll continue drawing you across now so you can look back to where we've just come from. Such a beautiful beach area. Okay, I'm just going to bring you across the beach now so we can have a look at this. Take you right up to the far end, I think.